History, as we know it, is constantly being rewritten. New discoveries force us to reevaluate what we thought we knew about the past. Recently, intriguing artifacts have surfaced from the depths of time. These ancient tools hint at a past far more sophisticated than we ever imagined. Could these discoveries be evidence of lost civilizations? Imagine a world where our ancestors had access to advanced technologies and knowledge that we are only beginning to comprehend today. Could our ancestors have possessed knowledge and technologies far beyond what we give them credit for? The implications are staggering. If these artifacts are indeed genuine, they could rewrite entire chapters of human history. We might have to reconsider the timeline of technological advancements and the capabilities of ancient societies. The evidence is mounting, and it's time to explore the possibility. These aren't just stories confined to the pages of science fiction. Across the globe, archaeologists and researchers are unearthing objects that defy easy explanation. From mysterious stone carvings to intricate metalwork, these artifacts suggest a level of sophistication that challenges our current understanding. These finds challenge our understanding of the past. They force us to ask difficult questions about the origins of human civilization. Were there advanced societies that existed long before the ones we know about? Did they possess knowledge that was lost to time, only to be rediscovered now? They point towards a forgotten chapter in human history. This is a chapter we are only beginning to rediscover. As we continue to dig deeper, both literally and figuratively, we may uncover more clues that will help us piece together this complex puzzle. The journey to understand our past is far from over, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to unveiling the true history of humanity. Our traditional understanding of human history follows a linear progression. We went from simple hunter-gatherers to farmers, then to the development of cities and civilizations. This timeline places the rise of complex societies like Mesopotamia and Egypt around 3500 BC. This is relatively recent in the grand scheme of human existence. We've long believed this narrative to be true. It's what we were taught in schools. It's what we saw in museums. The evidence seemed clear. However, whispers of doubt have always lingered. Ancient myths and legends speak of advanced civilizations lost to time. Could these stories be more than just myths? What if they hold a grain of truth? Out-of-place artifacts, or OOPArts, are objects found in archaeological contexts that seem to be too advanced for the technology known to have existed at the time. These mysterious items challenge our understanding of history and the development of human civilization. These objects range from intricately carved stones to metal alloys that predate known metalworking techniques. They often exhibit craftsmanship and materials that seem impossible for the era in which they were created, raising questions about the capabilities and knowledge of ancient peoples. One example is the London hammer, a stone hammer discovered in Texas in 1936. This artifact was found encased in a rock formation, suggesting it is millions of years old, far older than the human species itself. The hammer, estimated to be over 400 million years old, is made of a type of iron that should not exist according to conventional geological understanding. The iron is remarkably pure and shows no signs of rust, which is baffling to scientists and historians alike. Another intriguing find is the Antikythera Mechanism, a complex astronomical calculator dating back to ancient Greece. Discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera, this device has puzzled researchers since its discovery in 1900. This device, with its intricate gears and precise calculations, suggests a level of technological sophistication that seems out of place in the ancient world. The Antikythera mechanism could predict astronomical positions and eclipses for calendrical and astrological purposes, showcasing an advanced understanding of astronomy and engineering. These out-of-place artifacts challenge our conventional timelines and prompt us to reconsider the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations. Were these items the result of lost knowledge, or did they come from civilizations that we have yet to discover? The mystery of OOPArts continues to intrigue and inspire both scientists and enthusiasts, urging us to delve deeper into the annals of history and uncover the true extent of human ingenuity. The existence of OOPArts, or out-of-place artifacts, has led some researchers to propose the theory of lost civilizations. These artifacts, which seem to defy our understanding of historical timelines, suggest that there might be more to our past than we currently know. These civilizations, far more advanced than our current understanding allows, might have existed in our distant past. Imagine societies with knowledge and technology that rival or even surpass our own, thriving in epochs long forgotten. Could they have been responsible for the creation of these enigmatic artifacts? The precision and complexity of some of these items suggest a level of sophistication that seems out of place in the historical periods they are found in. Theories about lost civilizations are often met with skepticism from mainstream archaeology. Many experts argue that these artifacts can be explained within the context of known historical cultures, attributing them to trade, migration, or simple misinterpretation. However, the sheer number and variety of OOPArts, coupled with ancient myths and legends from around the world, make it difficult to dismiss the possibility entirely. Stories of advanced beings and lost lands like Atlantis persist across different cultures, hinting at a shared memory of a forgotten past. These lost civilizations, if they did exist, may have succumbed to natural disasters, climate change, or even self-destruction. Cataclysmic events such as massive floods, volcanic eruptions, or shifting climates could have erased these societies from the face of the earth, leaving behind only tantalizing clues. Their legacy could be buried beneath the sands of time, waiting to be rediscovered. As archaeologists continue to unearth new findings, each discovery brings us a step closer to understanding the true breadth of human history. Perhaps one day, we will uncover definitive evidence of these lost civilizations, forever changing our perception of the past. Section 5. The Puzzle of Puma Punku. One of the most compelling examples of potential lost civilization technology is Puma Punku. This ancient site, located in Bolivia, features massive stone blocks cut and fitted together with astonishing precision. The stones, some weighing over 800 tons, were transported from quarries located miles away. The precision with which they are cut and fitted together, without the use of mortar, is remarkable. Even with modern technology, replicating this feat would be a challenge. How did ancient people, without the use of iron tools or the wheel, manage to quarry, transport, and assemble these massive stones with such accuracy? The answer remains elusive. Section 6. The Baghdad Battery Debate. Another intriguing OOPArt that continues to spark debate is the Baghdad Battery. This collection of clay pots, copper tubes, and iron rods dating back to the Parthian or Sassanid period roughly 2,000 years ago has puzzled researchers for decades. Some believe it may have functioned as a simple battery. Experiments have shown that when filled with an acidic solution, the device can generate a small electrical current. If this interpretation is correct, it would rewrite our understanding of ancient technology. It would suggest that knowledge of electricity existed long before we thought possible. Section 7. Confronting skepticism. The idea of lost civilizations and advanced ancient technology is not without its skeptics. Critics often point to the lack of conclusive evidence and the potential for misinterpretations of archaeological findings. Dating methods can be imprecise. OOPArts might be younger than they appear. Contamination from modern materials is always a concern. These are valid points that need to be taken seriously. However, dismissing all OOPArts and theories of lost civilizations as pseudoscience would be intellectually dishonest. It's crucial to approach these topics with a healthy dose of skepticism. But we must also remain open to the possibility that our understanding of the past is incomplete. Section 8. A paradigm shift in thought. If even a fraction of these discoveries are proven to be genuine evidence of advanced ancient technology, it would necessitate a paradigm shift in how we view human history. It would mean that our ancestors were far more capable and innovative than we give them credit for. It would challenge our perception of progress. It would force us to reconsider the narrative of human civilization. We may have to acknowledge that our current state of technological advancement is not necessarily a linear progression. We may be rediscovering knowledge and technologies that were lost for millennia. Section 9. The Future of the Past. The search for evidence of lost civilizations and advanced ancient technology is an ongoing journey. As we continue to explore our planet and uncover its secrets, we may find more pieces of this puzzle. These discoveries have the potential to reshape our understanding of the past. It's a journey filled with wonder, excitement, and the thrill of the unknown. It's a reminder that history is not static. It's a dynamic and evolving field of study. We must be willing to challenge our assumptions and embrace new possibilities. The past is never truly gone. It's waiting to be rediscovered.